can we incorporate these Met Gala looks into our everyday life? Let's take Kim's look for example. We can grab a metallic silver bustier with a silver mesh skirt with a gray cardigan. It's a look, honey. Now, Tyla's sand look is everything. Like, I love. But for an everyday look, like, she has a full train on. Now, we don't have to go walking around with a full train unless you want to, do you? But for everyday look, you can just take a sand colored dress, a long maxi skirt, body fitting, and get that same look. Now, I stand for Nikki's dress. I love the full 3D flower look. I'm a flower girl. I'm a floral girl. But if you're not feeling the whole floral for everyday look, I get it. Then you can go for a floral printed look and kind of still get that feel. Now, I'm loving the green on Gail. Love. Now, for everyday looks, there's some options that we can play with, like the tops. We have as everybody knows, the flowers and the roses are in. So we got the green roses here. We got the big green rose there. So these tops you can play with a skirt. You can play with a bottom of a jean. You can play with them and get that everyday look without having a full Met Gala gown.